Hi everybody, this is Eddie from RV Air and thank you for joining us today. Today we are going to be working on a Wal-Mart exclusive, which is the AC-300G. These are available in about 3,000 Wal-Mart stores across the country, and they are designed to be what we call a cut-to-fit design. As we know, there's many air conditioners in the field that have unique air intakes in them. And so we needed to come up with some ability for customers to be able to custom cut what they could put up there. And with that, we came up with this particular filter. It's called an AC-300G. Why has it got G on it? Because it's green. That's number one. Number two is it's 16.5 inches long by 9 inches wide. So it's a pretty big piece of material. So what we're going to do is we're in an RV today is a great example of a custom unit that Dometic built for some time now. And it's not a huge seller for them, but they do sell them. And what it is it looks similar to the 105s or, different model units that are out there. And I'm going to show you how this comes apart, okay? So we need our trusty little safety tool, which we always carry with us wherever we go. And we're going to go like that, we're going to go like that. And if you notice how it just slides right out just like that. So it's got this curved tray around the front and everything else. And inside of it, it has the filter screen, which is basically, as we all well know, really collects large dust, large mosquitoes. Pretty much that's about it. And here is our grill. And if you also notice up inside of the unit here, you'll see it's got a support bracket in the middle, which is great for holding the filter in place. Also, if you look, always check to make sure your wire connections are good. There's nothing frayed. There's no dust up in there. Anything you can do to help. Because where does the air go? It goes in and then it comes right out over here. See, this is not a duct unit, so you got the air coming right out by it here. And boy, let me tell you, does the air really come out. These things work really well. So what are we going to do now? Well, we've got this filter with this weird shape on it up here, so how do we do it? Here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to the table right now. We want to take our AC-300 filter and we're going to pull it over here and we're going to look on this filter to make sure it all fits on size. I have to tell you I cheated. I already checked. I know it does. This filter is wide enough that it'll fit almost anything that's out there. I haven't ran into one yet that it won't cover. And as you can see in this particular case, it's done a pretty good job. We're going to set it like that. Trusty black marker pen. Yay! Now, we're going to come back over here and make sure that we got this part right. And we sure do. How many over the years have remember sitting in a Home Depot or a Lowe's parking lot doing this to a paper filter trying to make it work for you? I can't even count the times. Because nobody built a filter. Okay, here we go. We have got our filter cut. We have our unit ready to look at. And now we're going to lay our filter with the green side up. Remember, that's important, okay? And I wanted to take a look and see, look at that. Look at how that filter fit right inside of that little pocket right there. You would have think this was custom cut. Well, it is sort of custom. I did it myself. All right, so here we go. We're going to try to put this back up in here. And these babies can be just a tad tricky, so let's see what we got. We're going to put this up here like that. I'm going to slide that. Oh, I got it. Oh, I got it. Hiya! Hallelujah, we did it! That's amazing! RV Air. Get it at Walmart. Thank you very much.